Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop receiving friend invites in the Play Games app on your Android device. If you're getting too many requests or just want more privacy, this quick tutorial will help you turn off that feature in a few simple steps. First, open the Play Games app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Second, tap the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Third, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Fourth, scroll down through the Settings page until you find the option that says Receive Friend Invites. Fifth, toggle that option off. This will disable any future friend requests from being sent to you through the Play Games platform. And that's it. You've successfully disabled friend invites in Play Games. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment if you have any questions.